Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we are continuing our journey on learning Fusion from the beginning. And today I'm thinking about making a bolt. So let's begin. First of all, let's create the sketch in the top plane and make a hexagon. Right? So the top of the bolt. So we look for polygons, we find the top one, we click at the origin and we just pull it out. As you can see, it locks in perfectly, so just click on your touchpad, and now we will adjust its size by using this dimension tool. And I want this to be about 10 millimeters. Great! Now what we can do, we can go ahead and draw in a circle. And I'm thinking about an M10 bolt. So it means the diameter will be 10 millimeters. Here we go. Now we can finish sketch and click on this extrude button over here. And now we will select two of those faces. So in this case it will extract both of them. And I think the 5 millimeter is a good size.
Yep.
Great. Now let's go back in here, open the sketch, unhide it, select the correct part of the sketch that you want to extrude now, click on extrude button, again select it, and extrude. Here we need to change it from cut to join, and because this part is 5 millimeters and I want the whole bolt size to be 20, I need to do 25 millimeters. This looks like a great bolt. Now we can hide the sketch and continue on with making all the additional parts. First of all, we will use this tool called the Fillet, which we also can find it here. But for the bottom, I will use the chamfer right here. It's just so when we make the thread, it's better for manufacturing in the real world. And we will click 0.2. Great. And for these parts, we're gonna use the fillet. And again, it will be 0.2. As you can see, it's filleted all the sides. And we can click add and do another fillet right there for 0.2 millimeters. Awesome. Now what we need to do is to make this a thread. So we click on the side, we go to create, and we use the thread button right here. As you can see right now, it's just a picture of a thread. If we want to really model it, we can click right there, model, and it will model it. Now it's automatically determines that the size of the shaft is 10 millimeters, and it's gonna use the metric thread type. Here we can make an additional adjustment, but we don't need it in this case. So click OK, and as you can see, we had made the bolt.